Kakanhunna ke District Child Protection Unit jong ka Mandya District jong ke Jala Karnataka balayalam da ke District Child Protection ke Officer Rashmi S kala IT no ya ki arpo arngut ki khana na ka Jala Meghalaya ki balalej ban puli hapo Karnataka haki officer jong ka Tanat Social Welfare jong ke Jala Meghalaya men takasngi katei ke jingjang kadai ke balajana du ke jingrakhi ya ka Holi haka khandrew trik uluber hapo Gokula Educational Trust ha Bangalore Hakaba ki jingbam ki bala jaklia ki bala penlong ki te ki khna ban kempang hakate ki jaka bat ka bas ngosi kalong ba arngut na ki khna na po Jala Meghalaya ka duno ela ka jingim kat ba ka to kat nengut ki weipat ki khna ki dang sha sumar hapo hospital hadin ka ne ka jingja arpo arngut ki khna labu hapo ka jingpe jong District Child Protection Officer Mandya District kat kum ki kendon jong ka Juvenile Justice.
Now, this return of the 22 children has been facilitated by the hard work that went on through our director, Kong Lingwa, and also our officers. Three of them accompanied these children. During their stay in Karnataka, they had to make all arrangements to ensure that things are done in a manner which is legally tenable and which is lawful and as per protocol provided by the law. So only after that exercise was completed, then the team from Karnataka, led by the senior leader of the Child and Women's Rights Commission, had then agreed to accompany their children and brought them back to Shillong today.